In the last update, we got the ride system, some outlining, and some ride scenes. In this update, we'll continue building the mountain up, placing water tiles, and more ride scenes. Keep watching to see it all. We're back, and I'm going to be starting by building up this side and getting those last ride scenes in to build everything up to the second level. So now with those ride scenes mostly done, it's just time to build everything up to reach the second level. I'm having to swap a few things out here. I definitely planned out wrong where this would actually land on here, so fixing a few things there. I'm going to start getting some more of the ride scenes put in place just while I build all of this up at the same time. Now I've got some of this in place, so it's all right in the exact spot that it needs to be for these chain links tracks. I've added some new lights. These will be pretty small, but just light up a couple scenes a little bit. And now that I've got this connected, I'm going to start adding the last lift and building around that. I've got this last lift in place. It was a lot of figuring out how to get this in the right spot, but it pretty much works the same as the other one. It'll get off of this track and onto the lift, and I had to get everything in the right place there. I also didn't actually use a gear for the bottom there. I just had some Technic pieces in place so they would stay in the right place. And basically it's just this one gear pulling. And it actually works out pretty well. But now I've just got to build in the rest of these grounds for the second level and get the rest of the water tiles in. And then I can start building that ride scene and moving up from there to finish the top of this. And now with that, I have the entire track layout for Splash Mountain Ride complete. Now I will just need to build in the ride scenes for this second level and finish building the mountain, and then this will be done. Thank you guys so much for watching that quick update. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss this when it's finished and other rides I'm building. Stay tuned for the completed Splash Mountain.